Wiyamono mwanchu murigiria bwa television ya Ndizi TV. Bono uryo gonkonya gokoretera mangana ya mayasi munwa bwimanyiririo nigakorokwa Joshua Outa. Inche nigonkorokwa John Kibati. Amatuka atatu magiga yumo waziri bw'egisemi muziki ya George Magoha koraria matemwa manene y'ikirasi kya gatano na gatatu imeyense ya Kenya. Chisukuru ao anene mono imeyoro gonkorwa gusihi nigo chigenderete guchengera ogokora buya ikwa matemo ayo. Anene mono asoro gonkorwa gusihi esukuru ya St. Peter's Kisii Academy nigegenderete gwechengeria kigima ogokora buya. Omusekito Brian Saginisena nigabatarira litukuri harero na kwarigania orobotiro kubwatia.
Esukuru ya St. Peter's Academy igotoka ase wadi ya bogia kumubonchari county ya Kisii nero tetigiri magegaso gochengera machibi ya matemu abwato nomo waziri wechisemi moske Professor George Magoha abwase banyolete Emilia Max Chimisato 53 na korengana na borobonigo bakorete byakigima gekorenganwa no mwaka weta
Nyasaye tumanyete okoriro ogwanja kwaye ando bekiro koboko kwaya ase skuru yaitu bana baitu bakorete buya mwana mutangani na babwate amax yare 416 max wanyorete igare 382 sorry bana baitu bakorete buya mande togenta gwakira Nyasaye mbiya mono.
I'm Harriet, Mama Rose Manyange. My daughter got 410. I'm so happy for her. She has made me a proud mother.
Ningo gete ama tokya beta se skuru kuruya cha gete bagoikera iga. Kutogore Nyasaye ngambia mona sonsi.
Korengana na aborokigwa na boigo aborokya beskuru nigo onse achete korengana no gwanja kwa monguru egasiengia kurwasa baiboli aborokigwa aborokya na boigo abanyakenyoro bensemeyo.
I'm Rose Manyange. I had 410 in my KCP and I was very happy. I was at home. I didn't expect it, so by God's grace, and I thank Him for He's the one who brought me this far. And I'm happy that I got my marks and I wish to go to a national school.
Okay, I'm Maxwell Bundi, pupil from St. Peter's. In KCP of 2022, I got 408 marks, which I expected because in recent exams we had done I was having 400, which showed good results at the end, and after doing the exam I was very sure I would get 400 and above.
My name is Ian Kerima and I got 407 marks. When I got the marks I was so happy, and that was the marks that I was expecting to get.
Nigo bono aborokia bubarure sege choko cha sebonsi bali bakorete byena bali batanyorete korengana no kugania kwabo kogenderera kobeka omokia ase ebirengo byonsi bya masomo
nabatole no mogoko monene asengenjo abana baito banyarete gukora amatemu aya na kubwa mono enkoganeria ababande na baro batanyorete amagisi 400 na baro batwara omoyo nande batwara omokia bwo soma elinde banyare koba bagocha koba egente kiya chingaki chire mutwe.
Incorporated Ndizi TV kurwase county ya Kisii eresera Brian Sagini Isena.